Welcome to Pallet2Ship's video on how to correctly measure your consignment. In this video, we will show you how to correctly measure 2 pallets, highlighting areas where mistakes can be made. When taking your 3 dimensions, it is important to measure the longest, widest, and tallest part of the pallet, including any packaging that may protrude. In our first example, we can see that the length and width of the goods fit well within the base of the pallet, so the length and width of the pallet will be our first 2 dimensions. Ensuring the start of the tape measure is flush with the end of the pallet and keeping the tape straight, we can see the length is 120 centimeters and the width is 100. Finally, we have the height of our pallet, which is where the first potential mistake could be made. As we can see, the height of the pallet is uneven, so we must remember to measure from the bottom of the ground right up to the tallest part of our pallet. This gives us a perfectly measured pallet at 120 by 100 by 87 centimeters. Now for our second example, we can see that the goods overhang the pallet in length, so we will be taking the measurements from the longest part of our consignment, the start and end of the filing cabinet. The width of the filing cabinet fits comfortably inside the pallet, so the overall width is the width of the pallet, 100 centimeters. For the height, remember to measure from the ground right to the top of the tallest part of your consignment, including any packaging. This gives us a pallet of 79 centimeters tall.